Stop that annoying screen shake. Your screen moves when you type, click, or lean on the desk. It's frustrating and it breaks your focus. That's why we built our first standing desk stabilizer clamp. It's made to greatly reduce everyday desk wobble. But we didn't stop there. After 2 more rounds of upgrades, this is our 3rd gen design. 3D printed with PLA and refined through real use. Upgraded rubber roller for smoother wall contact. Protective silicone pads help prevent slipping and desk marks. No drilling, no permanent damage, easy to install. A simple fix for a desk that should have felt stable from the start. The clamp attaches to the edge of your desk. The rubber roller rests against the wall for steady side support. Your desk can still move up and down freely. At working height, your desk feels much more stable. Onuka Standing Desk Stabilizer Clamp. Make your standing desk feel stable again.